Hey travelers, double tap here. Got another nice ship for you. And here's a natural S-class. Get you the glyphs and the location first here so that I don't forget. There's the glyphs at the bottom. And there's a position 3.48 minus 156.98. The natural S, so no upgrades required. But as you can see, the slots are a little bit spread out. It is a nice looking ship though. Take it for a spin here. Wanted to show you something else. Did a search here at this monolith too for a multi-tool. There's a nice multi-tool here, one of those Atlantid. Unfortunately, it's just a Class B, but still, those Atlantid tools are nice. They really boost your resources. So if you come over here, whoa, that gravity storm's crazy. Now normally you'll have to put in Atlantid in like 3 different areas. I've already done that. Yeah, nice looking black Atlantid multi-tool, Class B. 2 slots there that it does have are connected. Location of this is minus 1.74 minus 158.23. So yeah, kind of a twofer. Get a nice ship, S-class ship, and a B-class Atlantid multi-tool on the same planet. Plus, funny, I actually put a base because I found a big pile of mold too. So yeah, it's a nice planet. You don't mind the storms. What do you think, guys? Gotta come check this out.